In 2021, Talaria released their Sting MX3 e-bike. 2 years later, they released the Talaria Sting R MX4. But now, they're about to release a brand new e-bike, introducing the brand new Talaria XXX. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to make a video about the brand new Talaria X3 concept, or the XXX, that's due to be released any month now. Also, if you'll stick around to the end of the video, I have a cool announcement to make. So let's jump into it. This is a beautiful brand new bike that's coming out to the market. This bike will have 4.5 kilowatts of power, 33 newton meters of torque. It has a 60-volt battery, and you actually get two battery options. It comes with either a 25 amp hour battery or a 40 amp hour battery. We're gonna take a look at the price difference in a bit. And about a 40-mile range. This is with the 25 amp hour battery. The bike comes either with dirt tires or with street tires, which you get to choose. It will have an 8 amp charger, which will give you a pretty fast charging time. And the top speed will be 46 miles per hour. Just take a look at this thing. This is beautiful. Another thing about it is it actually is going to come with two different color schemes. One is purple, like you guys saw in the thumbnail, and we'll see more pictures of that. The second one is this gray and yellow. I actually like both. Both of them look pretty nice. It looks beautiful. I really like the seat design right here, and it's looking very futuristic. And we all know Talaria has definitely stepped their game up. They're definitely listening to their customers out there. We saw that with the numerous upgrades they made to the MX3 Sting, and especially on this new Sting R MX4. That is just a beautiful, beautiful bike. But let's take a look at some of these specs over here more into detail. The wheelbase is actually, I think, a little bit longer than the other Talarias, and the ground clearance. So this should be a very interesting ride. The bike weighs 50 kilograms. This is with the 25 amp hour battery. 50 kilograms is about 110 pounds, so it's very, very light. I'm pretty sure this will have the Talaria factory fork on there, which everybody seems to really like. Top speed, I think this is like eco mode and sport mode. So I think in sport mode, 75 kilometers an hour is about 46 miles an hour. Not bad at all. It's coming out of the box. And yeah, so we do have a 25 amp hour and a 40 amp hour battery optional. Looking good. Let's jump on another website and see what we can find. We got some pictures of this bike over here. I'm not sure I like this back area right here, this rear fender situation. I don't really dig that, but other than that, the bike looks amazing. Seems to have a very nice display. And this, from what I understood, instead of using a key all the time, you can connect your phone into this NFC chip and use your phone as the key to unlock the bike, which is kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Looks like we also have horn and indicators. I am not sure if the indicators will come out in the US version or European only, but it's good to know that it has that option. Let's check out another website. We are now on ebikezilla.com. I'm not associated with them in any way, just using this to kind of give me a rough idea of what the price will be. They seem to have it on pre-order and shipping start of June, so very, very soon. And we do have two different prices for the different batteries. So the 25 amp hour battery is going to go for about 3,200 bucks, and the 40 amp hour battery 3679. I mean, really, really good prices for what looks to be a very awesome bike. This is for the gray version though, so I wonder what will happen with that purple version. I did see some pictures of it and it looks pretty cool. We all know the Talaria brand at this point. They got some quality stuff and I'm looking forward to test driving this bike. I don't see an option up here to choose between the different types of tires, so this looks like it will have the dirt tires on there. So I wonder what the deal is with that, but I know it does come in two versions. So yeah, that's a pretty cool looking bike. I'll throw some videos that I found of it around that you guys can see. Looks amazing. I can't wait for this bike. And if you did stick till the end of this video, my special announcement is I actually got one on the way coming to me to review, which will be amazing for the channel. I'm probably gonna be one of the first ones in the United States to have this bike. So I'm very much looking forward to it. And I hope you guys are too. So definitely stick around and hit that subscribe button if you guys are into this type of content. I will definitely have the review of this bike in full detail coming here very shortly to the channel. So that's pretty much it for me, guys. Just wanted to throw this little quick video together just to let you know what's happening in the e-bike world. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.